RFID is revolutionizing industries by automating, tracking, and data capture, but integrating it with existing systems can be challenging. Many companies face integration hurdles, such as compatibility issues, high costs, overwhelming data, and security concerns. Leveraging RFID middleware streamlines processes by cleaning data and minimizing clutter. Embracing cloud-based RFID integration lowers its expenses and enables real-time inventory tracking effortlessly. Implementing UHF RFID allows businesses to scan multiple tags simultaneously and enhances operational efficiency by Foycom's RFID solutions. Offer seamless ERP integration, cloud management, real-time tracking, and enhanced security. Working with Foycom increases supply chain efficiency, reduces costs, enhances security, and supports scalability. Foycom is the ideal partner with industry-leading expertise, end-to-end RFID solutions, and dedicated support. The future of RFID holds AI-based management and blockchain tracking for enhanced insights and transparency.